Hey friends, if you wish to set up a Windows sleep timer for shutdown on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So one thing is that you can put your system to sleep after a certain period of inactivity. That's when your system is inactive for 30 minutes or 1 hour, whatever. But that's a different case. If you want a permanent timer on your system that it should shut down after so and so seconds, then please watch this video. So let's say that I want my system to shut down after 3000 seconds. All I need to do is copy this timer, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator and paste this command here. This 3000 is the number of seconds after which I want my system to shut down. Hit enter and you have created that shutdown timer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.